Hi, I'm Hannah, and in this video we're going to make a Christmas bird out of air dry clay. Have fun!
You can find the materials list below the video. First, take some tin foil and scrunch it into the shape of a bird. You can start with the oval for the body, add a bump for the head and pinch out a little tail at the back. You can adjust the shape until you're happy with it. Now roll out a thin layer of air dry clay with a rolling pin. Gently rub the clay around your tin foil bird and press it down to cover the foil completely. Smooth out any seams or bumps with your fingers. Now roll a small cone out of clay to create the head. You can use a toothpick to make some details. Before the clay dries, attach a small piece of wire string to the bird's back. Now place your bird on a flat surface and let it dry completely. Depending on the clay, this might take 24 to 48 hours. Now we can start painting. Use some acrylic paints to decorate your bird. If you want, you can add details with an acrylic pen. Thread the string through the hook or wire, tie a knot and your bird is ready to hang on your Christmas tree. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!